Welcome back. Well, it was a beauty of a day today. Chilly start in the upper 30s to 40 degrees in Lafayette. Got up to 65 this afternoon. So temperatures a little bit below the norm for this time of year, but you can have a 5 to 10 degree variance on either side. It gets quite variable, as we all know, in the winter and fall and spring. Summer, not so much. Rainfall, boy, we are way behind, more than 21 inches below where we should be. But believe it or not, we've had drier years. And with the rain that we have coming in the next couple of days, we're probably going to drop out of the top 10 driest years. So let's plot up the rain chances and take a look at this as we look at the plot as rain chances increase. After midnight tomorrow night, some light showers possible, light sprinkles, and then you see we climb the mountain into the numerous to widespread rainfall zone with respect to just about all of Acadiana. Now, how much rain you get is going to be quite variable. We're going to say 1 to 3 between Thursday and say Saturday night, early Sunday, but there's going to be a lot of variance, some higher spots and some lower spots as well. Here's the big picture. We have this big deep trough over the eastern U.S. that has all the cold air, and that's departing. Here comes the next upper level system. This one is going to bring some pretty heavy rains to portions of California, and is going to bring its own subtropical jet stream that's going to be swinging on through. We're going to have disturbances in that subtropical jet that are going to be very tough to time after Thursday. So we have some pretty high rain chances after Thursday, but it could be Friday, Thursday night again, Friday night again, maybe Saturday night. We're going to see how it plays out. You can see there's some weather watches for the higher elevations with this storm system, but it's really going to get juiced up as it gets closer to us. Meanwhile, snow in the lee of the Great Lakes, that lake effect snow machine still going, although things are beginning to quiet down up here. Meanwhile, we're under the influence of a nice ridge of high pressure, clear skies, but we do have some high level cirrus clouds coming in, and that could interrupt some of the cooling tonight, but plan on mid-30s across the board. Not a whole lot showing up on a radar, but we'll pick up on this little dot down here in Cameron Parish, or it looks like Vermilion Parish. There is certainly a marsh fire going on down here, and you can see the wind direction by the direction that the echo is showing up here. It's basically from the east-northeast to the west-southwest, so there's a pretty good-looking marsh fire down here, and we had a couple of other ones showing up on the radar earlier today. So no rain on the radar, but with the showers and storms on the way, there could be a low and severe weather threat, especially across southeast Texas, that does buck into southwestern Louisiana. Maybe a storm or two that could produce damaging winds or an isolated tornado. This is per the Storm Prediction Center. We'll watch the trends. This yellow may get pushed up towards central Louisiana. That's where the main impetus of this next low pressure is going to be, and it will be weakening as it moves off to the northeast. So chilly overnight tonight. Tomorrow is going to be a nice mild day. You see those high clouds moving in, dulling the sun, and then the clouds and showers getting here by daybreak Thursday. And you can see there's going to be on and off showers and storms traveling across the region. Notice the winds. It's going to be windy, gusts to over 30, we think, as we head into Thursday afternoon and evening. And again, on and off showers and storms. Here comes a frontal boundary. You can see still some decent rains on and off through the area, but this front becomes nearly stationary, setting up the stage for another rainfall as we head into Friday night, perhaps Saturday night as well. So this is your Thursday night, Friday night look on the Euro model, and then we see another round coming in late Friday night, early Saturday. After that, Saturday night, a little bit more of a wild card. 1 to 3 inches of rain looks to be a good call. 1 to 2 with the weather system on Thursday, and then we'll add on to it. So again, we'll say about 1 to 3 inches of rain across the area. Latest graph model coming in, and this just gets us till we'll see where it stops 7 p.m. Friday. And you can see the bulk of the heavier rains off to the north and west, lighter to the south and east, but we'll catch up on that down the line. Temperature-wise tonight, near the frost zone, northern portions of Acadiana will favor mid to upper 30s along the I-10 corridor, and the same down along the coast, and then into the mid-60s tomorrow. Nice day tomorrow, windy and wet on Thursday, especially Thursday night. Friday, mainly Friday night, lingering into Saturday. Clouds stay with us through early next week, and then a nice period for mid next week, and it looks like another weather system to impact us Friday into the following weekend. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.